Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Patel and welcome to our clinical research education programs. Here I'm going to give you brief information regarding to our three important program that you will be seeing quickly once our guide tour of this course will end. The number one program is clinical research training program. Number two is clinical research mentor-mentee program. And number three is clinical research fast track program. Let me share my screen so I can guide you through this three program and the comparison of this three program. So mainly what you are going to see here is the comparison between three program, and in terms of basically duration, price, the starting date, educational and skill learning activities. Mainly you need to focus on, when you're comparing, you need to focus on the course plan and the sample session so that you can go through all the different aspect of the topics which we are going to cover during the live sessions, and you are going to see the comparison between hands-on projects, hands-on experience here, what type of project you are going to get it, what type of skill you will be acquiring after finishing this class, mainly in terms of statistical software skills, and various different comparison between the research CV and application guideline, as well as interview preparation benefits. Those all the thing you are going to compare between all three classes here. And on your all the way bottom of the page, you will be seeing our previously published projects as well as presentation and testimonials given by some of the international medical graduates. I mean, of course, some of them are practicing right now in United States as a resident physician, but you will see their testimonials and their presentation, national presentations, and their published projects in various journals. On your right-hand side, we are having this three main course: clinical research mentor-mentee program, clinical research training program, and clinical research fast track program. And we are going to compare all these three in a next video on your right side. Thank you. See you in the next video.